Hey guys, Tyler with MarineMax. I'm on this Harris Cruiser 210. This boat's powered by a 200 horse Mercury outboard. You see along the transom rear swim pad area, you got this nice lily pad boarding ladder. We've also got a ski pylon on this boat. This is what I like to call the fishing cruise package. So you'll notice we've got this prep station on the back with some storage drawers underneath and rod holders, but the coolest part is this boat's actually equipped with a live well. So you could use this boat to fish, hang out, do whatever. Also at the rear, you've got a pair of captain's chairs, so if you want to fish, you can, turn around. There's a little rod holder insert right here. You just sit there and fish and hang out all day under the nice shade of the double bimini that this boat has. Up at the helm, we've got a nice Mercury digital throttle and shift with active trim. Got a wireless phone charger, wet sounds head unit for your audio, and nice physical readout gauges for your engine parameters. On the port side of the helm area, you'll notice we've got a nice sideways bench with a speaker underneath. It's a nice place to hang out while you're underway comfortably and cruise. In the middle of the boat, it's a nice flip-up locker. The full boat mooring cover is actually in there right now, but you could use this to store your cover, fenders, life jackets, skis, anything like that. Got a nice port side boarding door in the middle section of the boat. And then you've got two full bench loungers up at the bow with a bow boarding door as well. If you're interested in a boat like this, please feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to help.